Symbols let writers communicate with characters. Writers may use symbols to connect the past with the present, or give characters specific symbolic dreams, for example. This technique allows characters to pick up on important information without it being explicitly stated by the writer. This way, you can have an intimate relationship with your character without directly breaking the fourth wall. Symbols that speak to the character blur the line between reality and imagination, as though the world is speaking to the character. This is a magical world that is alive and filled with meaning. It is similar to the concept of animism. The idea that the world is alive and everything has a soul and it can communicate with you. And that is a magical world.